Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sushant Chess Quiz. Today we are at the next lesson and we are going to discuss a position based on calculation. So I am using a physical board today. Do let me know how you find this lesson in the comments below. It is black to play. Let us see what's going on in the position. Right now we can see that white is a piece up. There is an extra knight on f6 we can say, and maybe white was expecting black to recover the knight. Now see the main weakness, we can see that the king lacks space and there are 1, 2 and 3 attackers near the white king. So white looks into the combination with the move knight g3 check. Whenever king has less space and the diagonal squares are covered by knight and queen, we should try to use the concept of smothered mate. So here see black went knight g3 check, king h2 and now comes see knight f1 check. If rook takes f1, queen g2 mates, but white simply has king h1. And what to do? So black goes with knight g3 check, king h2, knight f1 check, king h1 and now see the stunning move qg3, threatening mate on h2. So knight cannot take the rook nor the bishop. So only move knight g4, whichever knight goes to g4, there comes queen h2 check, forcing knight h2 and the smothered mate with knight g3. Let's look at the next position now. Again it is white to play. Whenever the position becomes complex, we know that we need to ask two basic questions. That is, what is the weakness and who is the defender. So when we look at this position, we realize of course h7 and f7 are weak. And the main defender of f7 we can see is the queen and the defender of h7 is the knight on f8. We can see that white is way ahead in development, black is yet to develop the c8 and the a8 pieces. So when we look at the defender, we try to use four things. We try to destroy, deflect, pin or interfere. Here white immediately identifies that to attack this f7 square, we need to get rid of the queen. Queen cannot be deflected nor destroyed. So white considers the move rook d7. See, instantly attacking the queen and also putting eye on the f7 square. The most complicated part is after rook d7, people think of the move bishop d7. When queen f7 check, king h8, and now it becomes difficult. What should we do? Again, if we put the question properly, things become very easy. So that is the position we need to imagine and wait over there. I will just show you the position quickly. See, rook d7, bd7, queen f7, king h8. This is the position we should have in mind and then try to think further. So if we have that position clearly in mind, we notice that the king has no place. That is the first weakness. And second, the square g8 is weak and g8 can be attacked with the move bishop c4. And when we see that this bishop cannot move because queen takes queen, moving the knight weakens the back rank also, the knight would be taken as well. So black goes knight g6 and we see that there is no queen g8 mate because of the 8 rook controlling g8. But white saw just further. Let's see what. Rook d7, bishop takes d7, queen f7 check, king h8, bishop c4, good move. Knight e6 simply allows knight takes e6, bishop is pinned because of the queen and there is mate on g7. And after the move knight g6, perhaps black was surprised with qg8 check, forcing rook takes g8 and once again the smothered mate surfaced. There was just one more thing, perhaps that was the only thing black should have done. Let's see that. So after the move rook d7, black's only try was the move g6. But when we see that after rook c7, g takes h5, knight takes f7, white's advantage is decisive. There is a threat of discovered check. And after the only move knight e6, trying to block this bishop and attack the rook, there comes knight h6 check, king h8 and rook e7. The position is almost winning. Let's say knight c5, then rook takes e5. And white should win the game very easily. There will be rook e8 check and the bishop would be pinned. Also there is the massive threat of rook g5 followed by nf7 checkmate. So whenever we are dealing with complicated positions, asking the questions what is the weakness, who is the defender, and finding the moves and using or altering the move order is very important. I hope you found this lesson useful and instructive. Do let me know in the comments below. Thanks for your time.